What really sold us on St. Patrick Catholic School was their commitment to the total formation of the child. And that was so important to us because we have had a very shy guy who I was concerned, as being a military mother and moving around, that not every educational environment would be able to bring out his best traits and his best qualities. And so the total formation really appealed to us because they have offered Joshua many opportunities to exercise his leadership capabilities with public speaking opportunities, not only inside the classroom, in front of the school, but at auditorium-size events. He has also participated in musicals that have really enhanced his self-confidence. So now what I see in Joshua is a very confident, strong learner.